The 2014 Byd F3. Byd is budding as an automaker and its products are continually getting better. Take for example, the new Chin Hybrid. Other vehicles the automaker produces are still stuck in the budget bottom basement, and the F3 is a prime example. The F3 is produced side by side with its replacement, lovingly called the 2014 new F3. While neither car can match the Chin's impressive looks, interior comforts, or technological advancements, the two cars offer a value to customers with limited budgets. At first glance, the F3 might look familiar. That's because it's a near-carbon copy of the 9th-generation Toyota Corolla, produced from 2000 to 2006. Byd gets the copy so perfect, in fact, that the body panels are interchangeable. Toyota likely isn't amused. Regardless, the F3 offers inexpensive transportation for 5 with a decent trunk and a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine. A 5-speed manual transmission comes standard and a 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox comes optional. A look at the F3's website reveals standard features like power mirrors, body color trim pieces, adjustable front seats, power windows, and intermittent windshield wipers. It's apparent the F3 isn't marketed towards the US or European markets. Click past the jump to read more about Byd F3. Exterior. The exterior of the Byd F3 is identical to the 9th-generation Toyota Corolla. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, and Byd did pick a solid car to model its F3's designs after. However, those Corollas were never exciting to look at, so it translates right over to the F3. Byd tried to dress things up with fake chrome trim on the grille, larger headlights, and fog lights down low. Exterior dimensions. Interior. The copycat story continues on the inside of the F3. Everything from the switchgear to the overall design is transferred from Toyota. The 4-spoke steering wheel comes with wood inserts while the rest of the interior is covered in plastic. The radio is circa 1998, as is the HVAC system with its manual recirculation slide switch. The manual transmission comes with a super tall shifter with a billowy boot. Power windows, locks, and rearview mirrors add some tech to the package. Expect rear seat room to match that of the Toyota's decently spacious accommodations. Sliding front seats can make room for those with longer legs. Drivetrain. Under the F3's hood lies a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder that produces a just adequate 105 horsepower and 106 pound-feet of torque. A high 10.4:1 compression ratio and 4 valves per cylinder help the 4-banger get nearly 40 mpg on the highway. The engine comes standard with a 5-speed manual transmission. Optional is a 6-speed, dual-clutch gearbox programmed to make the most out of every drop of fuel. No speed shifting shenanigans here. Top speed is listed at 111 miles per hour and expect 60 miles per hour to come in roughly 12 seconds. Drivetrain specifications. Pricing for the F3 starts at the equivalent of $8,650 as of the exchange rates on the 9th of December 2014. Byd doesn't list the option price for the 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox, but don't expect a hefty price considering the car costs thousands less than in Mitsubishi Mirage. Competition. Toyota Corolla. Well, here it's the real deal. The Corolla has undergone several generational changes since the 2006 model year, including the last update for 2014. The Corolla comes with a great new look, plenty of interior refinements like a touchscreen infotainment system, and a 140 horsepower engine. That engine is a 1.8-liter unit in the gas-friendly Eco trim, but other engines are available. Pricing starts at $16,800 and goes up to $20,100 for the range-topping Eco Plus trim level. Honda Civic. Another huge global competitor in this segment is the Civic. It's been around in its current form since 2013. When the Civic's latest generation launched in 2012, its exterior styling was met with negative reactions. A heavily revised version debuted for 2013 and has remained since. Power comes from 3 4-cylinder engine options, a 1.5-liter making 110 horses, a 1.8-liter making 140 horses, and a 2.4-liter making 201 horses. Pricing starts at around $18,000 and rises just above $23,000 for the Sporty C model. Conclusion. The Byd F3 is an aging product that is quickly being surpassed, even in the Chinese market. with BYD's growth as bringing plenty of respectable and interesting products that actually have potential in the US and European markets. It would be advisable for BYD to drop such copycat products from its lineup before ever attempting to break into new, more discriminating markets. Hopefully that will happen by the time the Chinese automaker makes a stab at coming ashore. Love It inexpensive transportation offers a manual and dual-clutch transmission. At least copies one of the hottest sellers in the market. Leave It copies the 9th generation Toyota Corolla. Looks very cheap, likely won't pass US and Euro crash standards.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.